Wondering what a Canadian boat transcript of registry is? Or how to get a boat transcript of registry? Well, that is today's topic. Hey boating enthusiasts, welcome to the BoatAlert podcast. This is Billy with BoatAlert.com, and today, we will talk about Canadian vessel transcripts. To skip ahead, use the chapters in the description below but stick around till the end as I will tell you which boats don't qualify for this transcript report in just a few minutes. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, you may want to consider it because we have some great boating topics coming up. Let's dive right in. Canadian vessels and ships that are commercial are registered with Transport Canada. This is similar to the US vessel documentation. If your boat is only used for pleasure, guests don't pay to board, then you only need to license the boat at the provincial level, PCL, rather than register it at the federal level. Commercial, non-pleasure, vessels that are 15 gross tons or less will be registered in the Small Vessel Register. A certificate of registry is valid for 3 years and is issued to the owner or the authorized representative 30 days before it expires. To ensure that your certificate of registry remains valid, you must report any changes to the information shown on the certificate of registry, including a change of address, in writing, within 30 days of having made the changes. If you do not, your registration may be suspended or cancelled. Anyone operating a vessel with an invalid document violates the Canada Shipping Act, 2001 and is liable to prosecution. A certificate of registry should not be laminated. For some authorities, laminating a certificate would invalidate it as an official document. Once a document has been laminated, it is no longer available for definitive review to determine its validity or authenticity. It is recommended to keep the certificate in a plastic bag, pouch, etc. to protect it. Just like the boat abstract of title in the USA, you can obtain a report from Transport Canada about the registered vessel showing owner information along with lots of useful information listed below. This report is the Transcript of Registry. Next, what information is in the Transcript of Registry for Canadian vessels? When you order a Transcript of Registry for a Canadian boat, it will be a report that contains the following information and more. 1. Vessel name and former vessel name. 2. IMO number. 3. Port of registry and former port of registry. 4. Date of registry. 5. Certificate expiry date. 6. Vessel type. 7. Builder information including where the vessel was built. 8. Construction material, tonnage, and engine information. 9. Owner name and address. 10. Mortgages and assignments. Next I wanted to talk about who issues the Transcript of Registry and how to order one. Transport Canada issues the vessel transcripts, and if you go to the BoatAlert blog you will be able to see a sample transcript in PDF format. There are brokers that help you get one if you have your boat official number available on hand. The prices vary and the order process can be long due to the forms you need to fill, but one company makes it easy with a simple and secure PayPal ordering process. Check them out at boatabstract.com. Wait, however, there are important things to note before ordering a transcript. 1. Online transcript orders are not available for vessel register or licensed in the Pleasure Craft license system. 2. Mortgages or assignments are not permitted in the Small Vessel Register. 3. An uncertified transcript does not reflect pending transactions the Vessel Registration Office may have received but is not yet processed. What about really old historical boats in Canada before 1966? The Ship Registration Index database contains more than 78,000 entries of old ships registered in ports of Canada between 1787 and 1966. This is searchable at the Library and Archives Canada. Is there a free search for Canadian boats? No, not for licensed pleasure craft, PCL, but there is for federal registered boats. You can use the Vessel Registration Query System to find general information on vessels registered with Transport Canada. BoatAlert.com can search PCL boats as well for a fee. In the event that this information is required for legal or official purposes, it is recommended to obtain a certified transcript of registry. You can learn more in the blog article that accompanies this video, but now that you know the ropes, it's time for this video to pipe down. Leave a comment below if you have other tips for all of us or if you want to see me cover any other topics. I try to reply to all of your comments. One last thing, please give us a thumbs up since it helps others find useful videos, and for more boating topics be sure to shape up and follow this channel, and hit the